So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to another exciting video because this video is going to be all about eyeshadow palettes. But before that, if you are new here and if you are seeing me for the first time, then please quickly hit the subscribe button. And have you done that? Have you subscribed? Yes? Okay, fine. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel now. But before starting the video, I would really like to share something with you guys. It is something that has been going on my head from few days now. Actually, I have decided that I will be posting my YouTube videos only once a week. This is because it has become really hectic for me to shoot 2 videos per week and edit it and then post. Posting में कोई problem नहीं है, but filming it and editing it takes a lot of time, and I haven't been able to cope up with my houseworks and some other works and YouTube. शुरू में I was very excited, and उस excitement की वजह से I was somehow able to manage everything. I was kind of managing things well. बट अभी ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं चीज़ें मैनेज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मेरे लिए हेक्टिक हो जा रहा है. तो आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल बी पोस्टिंग वीडियोज ओनली वंस अ वीक, एंड दैट इज़ ऑन मंडेज. आई विल बी पोस्टिंग वीडियोज ऑन मंडेज एवरी वीक. नोट दैट. सो now we can begin with the video. So I think I have 8 to 9 palettes presently. So I will be starting with my Makeup Revolution palettes. I don't know why. I mean, I really don't have any idea, but I am super obsessed with Makeup Revolution palettes and its products. I don't really have lots of them, but I am really gonna buy it one by one. So let's start with this Makeup Revolution Possessed Glitter palette. I really love this palette because this is all glittery. I mean, look at it. I was like, okay, I need to buy this and I need to try how this palette actually is, if it is what it seems, and it really is super amazing. It will cost you around 1,050, and sometimes you can get offers, and I got it from Nykaa. So I'll put the swatches of this palette right after this. So my next Makeup Revolution palette is this Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy Creation palette. This palette is really amazing. I mean, look at the shades. Sorry, I have already broken this palette, but look at the shades. And to be honest, I wasn't really expecting such good shades from it. I bought it after checking the reviews 1,000 times because I wasn't really sure कि इसके pigments इतने अच्छे होंगे, but this is really worth it. And I think this will cost you around 1,350, and the shades of this palettes are really perfect for creating metallic looks, so you can definitely go for this. Now my third Makeup Revolution palette is the Velvet Rose palette. I mean, this palette is perfect for creating smoky eyes and nude looks. As you can see, it has all the brown shades and some golden shimmers and the blacks. It's perfect for you to create smoky looks and also some nude looks. So I actually bought it to create nude looks that I haven't. So I will soon be creating smoky and nude looks for you guys. So I think this will cost you around 950. I got all of these 3 palettes for no offers. I bought them on the original prices, but you can get offers on Nykaa and Hawk Makeup as well. Like these palettes are super amazing. So this is the last one that I have from Makeup Revolution. I only have 3 palettes. So let's move on to the next. Now coming on to NK's palettes. So I have this Nicka K's Perfect 23 matte colors. I think this is my very first color palette that I got, like to create my face arts and body arts, and this is such an amazing palette at such a price. I mean, I think this will cost you around $850, but the pigments are like good, like very good. So it has all these colors, like all the basic colors that you need to like create any colorful things, any colorful art. So this is the first NK palette that I have. Now the second NK palette that I have is this Perfect 9 shimmer shades. Like I bought this together with the Perfect 23 palette, and this has all the shimmers and the pigments are like nice. I really like its pigment, and at such a price these pigments are like wow. So you can go for it if you want to buy shimmer palette at cheap price. I think this will cost you around $550 or something. Now my third NK palette that I recently bought is Under the Sea palette. इसके बहुत सारे variants हैं, but I got this one because this was on offer. Like the MRP is $499, but I got it for like $299 from Flipkart. So these are the shades. मैंने अच्छे से अभी तक इसे यूज़ भी नहीं किया है. It's like मैंने सिर्फ इसके shimmer shades बहुत यूज़ करे हैं, and the shades are super good, super pigmented. So if you want a mini palette, you can definitely go for this one. Now I have this cute sa mini palette. The name is like already worn off. Like मैंने इसे इतना यूज़ कर रखा है कि इसका नाम ही मिट गया. It's Attitude from Amway. Like it's an eyeshadow palette. Multi-purpose यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं. And the one cake just fell off. बहुत टाइम से मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं करा था, and this fell off. But yeah, see, ये सिर्फ आधा टूटा, ये पूरा shatter नहीं हुआ. So and the best part about this palette is आप इसको wet brush करके इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, and then ये dry होने के बाद भी pigmented रहता है अगर फिर से dry आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो. So I actually really love this mini palette, and I think this will cost you around $599. This is also one of my beginners palette, so I really like this one. Like all the shades are very pigmented. My favorites are like these two. So moving on to my NYX Ultimate Brights palette. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite one because obviously it's NYX. So these are the shades. I really had to like wait a lot to buy this one. I got this from Nykaa, and whenever I used to like open the app and I used to like check कि if ये available है या नहीं stock में, I think for about like 3 to 4 months this palette wasn't available. So one day I was just like routine checking कि palette available हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, and I just saw कि like okay this palette is available, and मेरे को पता था कि ये कुछ ही टाइम पे out of stock हो जाएगा. मैंने फटाफट किया इसको ऑर्डर, एंड एक्चुअली कुछ देर बाद वो पैलेट फिर से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया. दिस कैन बी क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. दिस विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 17-25 बट एंड इसका साइज़ भी थोड़ा सा आपको छोटा लग सकता है, बट ट्रस्ट मी ये येलो कलर मैंने इतना यूज़ करा है, उसके बाद ये अभी इतना ख़त्म हुआ है एंड बाकी शेड्स तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बचे हुए हैं. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अच्छे से लंबा चल सकता है ये पैलेट. एंड इसके कलर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, सारे नेसेसरी कलर्स, बेसिक कलर्स हैं इसमें. जो भी आप आई शैडो लुक्स या फिर फेस आर्ट, फेस लुक्स कुछ भी क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल पैलेट विद सच ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स. Now coming on to my last one and the favorite one. Like yeah, बहुत सारे favorites हैं, but this one is the bestest. Like till now, I guess, I think. So you already know. This one is my fruit pie filling palette from You Can Be Makeup, and I really love this palette. I mean, whenever, like literally whenever I open this palette, I end up staring at all the shades. I mean, the shades look so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the shades that it have. Such beautiful shades, such beautiful shimmers. It also has holographic shades, like holographic glitter shimmer. So I got this palette for like I think 1100, and the original price was like 1600. Like I got this on offer from Amazon. I also have a review video on this palette, so if you haven't watched it, you better go and watch it and check out the like proper pricing and details on that video. So this one is like such an amazing palette. Like the pigments of this palette is also like super wow. So I would really recommend you to buy it, even if you are a beginner or you're a pro. So yep, this one is the last palette that I have, I guess. Yes. So that's all I have with me right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the makeup palettes, and I hope you guys liked the video. So if you liked it, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have watched the video so far and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, please go and follow me. The link is in the description, and also I am putting up my user IDs here. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, I have a lots of them on my channel. Please go and check it out and drop some comments so that I can know that you have watched it. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are staying safe and staying home and staying happy. See you guys in the next video.